Hey guys, welcome back to Midshire TV, the channel for all your communication technology needs. Today we'll be teaching you how to use the instant chat feature in HostX Collaborate. On the HostX Collaborate client near the top right, you should see a little plus icon. Click on that. Then it should bring up a new chat menu on the right hand side. Underneath new chat, there'll be a field where you'll be able to type in the person you'd like to chat with. So as you can see, I'm about to start a chat with my colleague Emily. Once entered, near the bottom, you will see a field where you can type in your messages. Type in your message and press enter. And just like that, you've started a chat. You can also send emojis by clicking on the smiley icon near the bottom right, which will open up a menu of emojis you can add to your message. You can also share files of your choice by clicking on the file icon next to the smiley icon. When clicked, a window should appear. If you find the file you would like to transfer, click on it once and then click open. It will send a transfer request to the other person. They will have the option to either accept or decline. Once they have accepted, the file will be transferred. With the chat feature, it comes with some amazing extras. So just say you're speaking to someone and you want you to show them something on your screen. Well, HostX Collaborate comes with a share screen option, which once clicked, sends a request to the other person who will have to accept, and then you can share your screens and vice versa. To screen share, near the top right, you will see a share screen option. Click on that. When clicked, it should open a window. In that window, you can select which screen you would like to share, or if you would like to share a specific application, you can do that also. Once you have decided, click start sharing and your screen share will start. Near the top right, you will have a little share screen window where you'll have the option to pause, stop, switch which app to share, and hide preview. To stop the screen share, just click on the stop icon. You can also create a room with multiple participants by clicking on the plus icon and then selecting the new My Room invitation icon. Add your contacts in and then click on send invite. That will send an invite to your participants, and when they accept, you will create a group chat where all you guys can chat. Thank you for watching, guys. If you did find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and also ding that bell so you know when we upload, and make sure you give this video a huge like. And if you have any further questions, please make sure to check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Thank you for watching, guys, and remember, we are the business communication experts.